Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify store domain. Now, there's two ways how to do this. This could be the free domain or the free URL that you get with your Shopify store. Or if you want to purchase a domain or if you have your already purchased domain, how you can actually add that to your Shopify store. So let me show you how this is done. So once you're in Shopify, simply click the settings on the lower left hand side and you will be able to find the section where it says domains. Now, this is going to show you your current Shopify domain, and you can quickly go ahead and click on, for example, online store here. And this is going to basically show you your different stores. So this is going to show you your target, this is going to show you your domain and so forth, right? And you can view your store by clicking on view, and it shows you what that actually looks like. So this is the store and this is the current domain, and you can even change this one here if you just want to work with the free one for now. So let's go back under the domain section so that you can see how you can actually change this. So for the free one, you can easily change that, and this is basically allow you to change it. So as you can see, it says change to a new my Shopify domain. You click on that and you can name it whatever. So I can call this one Drew, for example. Yeah, and you will see if it's available or not. I can say tutorial or toots, whatever it is, right? Let's see if that's available. That's available. So let's say that's what I want to use. I click on add, and this is going to change the domain from that one that I had before. So here you can see it, and you can just basically see where I can basically view this. Here it shows it's this one is redirect to this one. So you don't actually, it still exists, but it's just redirecting to this new one that I created. Right, so I can click here and you will see that it's going to take me over to my store. If I click on view, you will see that it shows it, right? So this is what it looks like for right now, and I can actually view my store, right? Let me go ahead and refresh this one. You will see that as well. Right, so let me go ahead and basically show you how it actually works if you want to actually add your own domain on Shopify, right? If you want to buy a domain, it is super easy as well. So you click on buy and you will be able to basically search for what you want and you'll be able to purchase. These are the options, right? They're offered to you. You can buy a domain directly from within the Shopify, and yeah, it is easy as that, right? Change whatever you want, search for whatever you want. If I wanted to do, for example, Drew Totes, I could actually search for something like that. Click on search, see what's available to me based on whatever the search result return with, and I will be able to buy something. You can see the prices. That's it. Super easy. DrewToots.com. It's available. I press buy, proceed, and I'm able to buy it. And to connect it, it's super easy as well. Now, if you have your existing domain, that's a little bit different how you do it. So you just choose connect existing domain and you just enter the domain name. So it could be whatever it is, and I will proceed. So let's say I have, let's think about something. ABC, let's try that. I don't know if that exists, abc.com. Click on next. This is just for purpose of tutorial, guys. It's not my domain. I'm just making up something right here, right? So I will not proceed with doing all of this process. But you will see right here that it shows okay for abc.com what it is, and shows you all of these good stuff. You can say update DNS record and all of those different stuff, right? So you want to go ahead and ensure that you choose your domain carefully. You're doing all of this stuff, you're following the instruction. It tells you what you need to do. Log into your provider, add this record to verify. So you need to add this step. So Shopify is giving you all the instructions that you need to do to be able to connect your domain from where you purchase it to your Shopify store, right? Once you do it, you update the DNS record, guys, and basically proceed. No, because I don't have this domain and this is not owned by me, I'm going to just simply click delete right here. And that's how you also learn how to delete it as well, right? But as I said, the process is super straightforward, super simple, and that's how you basically connect. So you can buy, you can connect, and you can even change the name of the existing one that you have. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.